For me, like a song lyric that always in the back of my mind. It's a song lyric by Bob Marley. He said, "Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds." A lot of us be mentally slave. Like there's not a system slaving us, but it's ourselves. You doubt yourself. You doubt your ability. But the thing is, we all have ability. We all been blessed. Even if your ability is different, what separates a successful person from a non-successful person is the will to tap into your mind. Everybody has the ability to do it, but it's the will, the push. You gotta want to do it. A lot of people is like, then I have to. Like, no, you get to. You gotta want to do it. So like, as you transition from that, I like to talk about Samba Psychology. So for me, like, I'm Samba, of course, and the psychology is like how the brain functions, how I think. And for me, like, a lot of people don't understand is, and what I want to talk about is, you can be moral, like you can have a moral compass and still fit in with society. Like, just because your morals are in line and your faith is where it's supposed to be, that doesn't mean you have to be an outcast. Because in order to get people to get on the ship for you to drive off with everybody, you got to be able to talk to them. So you have a gift of being morally inclined and knowing your sense of direction. If you know the way, it makes no sense for you to just go there. Like, if you know the way and you just go, there's no purpose in that. But the purpose of having a gift is to affect others. The purpose of knowing the way is to show other people the way. Just like how you say you want to build leaders that lead others. I know the way, I'm going to show him the way so he can show you the way, to show him the way, and show him the way. So one day we all going to be there. You feel me? So it's like a lot of situations where, like, I have close friends that will be like, oh, I can't hang out with him because if I can hang out with him, I'll feel bad about what I'm doing. I can't do what I want to do. And to me, what I tell them, be yourself. My purpose is to get you to come where I'm at, but everybody has their own journey. I'm not perfect. I have to go through obstacles to get where I'm at. And wherever you're at right now, that's your obstacle. But like a quote that I always go by to is like, if you're going through hell, keep going. But who wants to stop in hell? Right now, you in hell. Keep going. Because if you become complacent and you stop, you're going to stay in hell. And who wants to stay in hell? So for me, it's like, that's like my psychology is like, no matter where you at, no matter how stuck you think you are, how you think you're sinking in the quicksand, it's always somebody with a stick to pull you out. Like, and that's why it's like, we got to do this together. New world, no individual person can do it by themselves. And like, things always go downhill when you by yourself. Think about it. If you're walking by yourself in a dark alley, it's a high chance of something happening. But if you're walking down the street in a dark alley with 3 other people, it's a high chance of nothing gonna happen. That just shows the strength of numbers, how unity works. So with this new world, bringing in the community, starting with us, it'll be outreaching to build leaders that lead others. Leaders that create leaders. And that's how we're gonna go.